What is going on, everybody? I am Maverick Mike, and today I'm going to show you how I'm able to find big spiking stocks. If you're one of those people that are looking at others saying, how are they finding those stocks that are moving so much? Those 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, 300, even 1,000% plus runners in one day. Those opportunities are happening in the stock market daily, and this video will help you find those. When I first started trading back in 2015, I used to trade large cap stocks only with my $2,000 account. Southwest Airlines, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, thinking that I somehow was going to make money with a $2,000 account with stocks that were making 1%, 2%, negative 1%, negative 2% daily. After doing a lot of research and 3 years, yes, I said that correctly, 3 years of not profiting, I was able to figure out what stocks can correctly give me the opportunity to grow a smaller account, which for me was a $2,000 account. What's great about this video is I'm going to help you find big spikers for those of you guys that don't want to pay for anything. So I'll have free ways to find big spikers, as well as for those of you guys that do want to put a little more extra effort into it. And some people would say, oh, I don't want to pay for anything. But I do highly believe that paying for education in anything in life is a great thing to do. And I went to college. I graduated from the Florida State University. Go Seminoles. Finally have a good football team this year again. But I paid about $2,000 per class. And I like to look at the market that if I do lose a little bit, I lost way more to school that I probably didn't really take too much with me. Well, this, I will take a lot with me. So let's dive on in. If you guys want to check out all of my trades before, just to see the profitability and I always like to say transparency is key in anything you do in life, but in this game, it's very, very important. I'm live trading twice a day, so I've been live trading now since 2018. People have followed along with me, and you can too in the simplertrading.com website under the Stock Mavericks Mastery. Like I said, live trading twice a day where you can see my screens. But let's dive in and let me go over the 3 things that I think are very important for everybody to find big spikers. And number 1 is having the right tools. So there are different tools out there. I personally think at the beginning of your career, it's not a bad idea to pay for scanners out there. So Scans is one I highly recommend. There's also communities out there that usually give you so much information that you can use probably communities as well. Honestly, if you were in my community, you probably don't need a scanner because I'm bringing up all the hot watchers daily, every single day. A free thing that you can do if you don't want to pay anything is just open up your broker. I used Charles Schwab Thinkorswim and create a master watch list. That master watch list is any stock that you read about. Go to news articles of other stocks. Whenever you read about other stocks, go to that news article, start seeing other stocks that are in that same sector. And it just continues to go on and on. My favorite thing to do at the beginning of my career was to open up that Thinkorswim app and just read news articles. What is a better thing to do than learn instead of doom scrolling? I know that's something that a lot of us do, and I'm guilty of it too, and I'm in my 30s, so the younger generation does it way more. So if you want to stop the doom scrolling and maybe put a little effort into making some money, that's a great thing to do. Just start off by creating a master watch list. Start a broker, which I created a video about that on YouTube already. Go check it out. You can see how to start a broker. And once you do, just read news articles and create that master watch list. And that's something free. There's also scanners on Thinkorswim that are free as well that you can continue to add to that watch list. Number 2 that I'd highly recommend to catch these big spikers, because once you have that master watch list, how do you know which ones are moving on the day? Well, there's key levels to all the stock that you're usually going to play. So I always set alerts for those key levels. And if you don't know what alerts are, I'll bring down my screen just to show you. But this is a good example of a quantum stock that's just broke out of $22, which is a key resistance spot. So what I like to do is I'll put now an alert at 22 because you want to see resistance turn into support. And that's exactly what we are seeing here with QUBT. If you look into that daily chart, you can see now $22, which was resistance, has turned into support. And now I have alerts there. I have alert at high of day. And then I also have alert at multi-month high and also 52-week high. So those alerts will help you continuously be prepared to catch those big spikers, not only when they're up 1,000%, but before they're up 1,000%. Because I can just be sitting here telling you how to find big spikers, and any scanner out there can do that. But the important thing is being in those big spikers before they go parabolic. And this is one of the ways to do it. Creating those alerts are very, very key, and something that really, really helped me in my career. And that is free. That is not paid at all. So this is actually the only one that you can just get for free. Actually, something for me that's pretty funny, I maxed out my alerts. I didn't even know that was a possibility. But yes, that is a true thing. I actually maxed out my alerts on Thinkorswim, so I have to delete them now to add more. But I don't think that's a bad thing at all. And then the last thing, the most important, I believe, because I definitely wouldn't be here today, I would have gave up by now, is connect with other traders. It's very, very important to get around with the people that are going through the same situations as you. I mean, your mom, your dad, your brother, sister, your wife, your kids, they're not going to understand the emotions that you go through as a trader. No one will understand it besides the other people that are going through it right next to you. So I think it's important to see eye to eye with somebody, have somebody that's below you, and have somebody that's above you, all in the same group. And if you are able to do that, I think you would be able to continuously grow without giving up. Most people, I believe, give up. They say 90% of the traders lose and 10% win. And I think it's because they just give up and they don't have that community. Having that community gives you a sense of love that everybody likes, but also gives you motivation. And you can have other people around you that are doing good when you're doing bad. That could motivate you. Also, people that you once saw eye to eye with you start to do better than you. That could motivate you as well. So don't use it as a discouraging thing. Use it as motivation. And you would be surprised who will reach out to you. Don't be scared to reach out. Social media is one of those things where anybody out there, you can reach out to anyone. And that's what's free. If you want to go through paid stuff, the communities is always great, and I would love to have you a part of my community in Simpler Trading and simplertrading.com. I would love to have you. I'm live trading twice a day. We have a great community of traders, all different skill levels. But not only do we trade, we talk life. We do Wednesday webinars, do trader talk, trader psychology. So I think it's important to do that. I wouldn't be here today without these guys. All these guys here were the ones that kept me going when I went through my own slumps. And especially at the beginning, when it really is hard. You're just making 30, 40 bucks, losing 40, 50 bucks, making 100, losing 100. You got to find those people that see that motivation and also see that potential in this game. So those are the 3 big important things that I believe are important to get anybody the ability to find those big spikers. Would love to have you on the team. Click the link below, the Simpler Trading Team, Mavericks Mastery. Also, if you like these videos, click that subscribe button. I'm coming out with videos weekly again. I am back, baby. All right, guys, we'll see you for the next one. Good luck out there.